All right, we have a valve stem leak. I don't know if you can hear that. Looks like some weather is moving in, and we're not even a mile into this trail. So me being with my daughter, it's not just me I got to worry about, it's my kids. So we might be fixing this valve stem leak and then heading back down. We didn't even make it a mile up here and already running into some issues in weather. So all right, Addie and I are on our way to Red Lodge to go hit one of the trails up there. I think it's called the Hellroaring Trail. Hopefully it's open. There's a fire kind of near there, so it might not even be open. We have one other trail that we could do for the day, and we're staying the night. We're going to be camping there. You excited, Addie? Yep. Yeah, we're going to be fishing at Wild Bill Lake, and I forgot our fishing poles. So, yeah, we're going to have to buy some fishing poles in Red Lodge. I already have my fishing license and stuff for the year. All right, we'll catch up with you guys here in a bit. We are in Red Lodge, Montana, and now we're just looking for a place to get some food. Where do you want to eat, Addie?
You pick, I don't know. I'm not the master of Red Lodge like you are.
All right, well, I guess I'm going to be picking, but here's what Red Lodge kind of looks like down its main street. I love it. Stopped and just got some snacks out of the back. What do you think? Are you set? All right, let's go find our camp spot. We're gonna start going through these mountains here.
We were trying to find breakfast
And
at
then,
the Red Box, but
yeah, the Red Box is closed this time of year. If you guys are ever here, check out the Red Box during the summer. It's freaking awesome. Has great food. All right, should we go find our camp spot? All right, let's do it. Grizzly bear country. All right, this is our campsite.
let's look at the river. I'm going crazy.
You're going crazy?
I need to see it.
You need to see the river? All right, let's go. Yeah, look at that. That's a moose.
Oh, the moose is there. Tracks.
Yep.
He must go down the
There's moose around here. That's some old stuff.
That's river. Dang, it can run my water shoes. Then it can like go up.
Yeah.
I can step like in the shower and I have water shoes.
All right, we're gonna make some lunch. All right, what do you think of your brat? You like it? Yeah?
I put my first chip.
Great. Got a nice brat. And here we are. Is it?
Yeah. Mama packed us the good stuff.
Yeah, she did. We're all packed up here, and we are about ready to go fishing, but Addie's out exploring right now. Where you at, Addie?
Coming back to the truck. I'm in this grass heading to you and in front of these big stuff of trees.
All right, sounds good, sweetheart. All right, we'll catch you guys here when we're fishing.
Oh, I saw a fish over there. See the ripple?
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
So the fish must be out here.
Oh, yeah, they're out here.
Oh,
All right, so we didn't catch anything. They just want flies, and we don't have a fly rod or flies. Right, Addie?
yeah. But maybe in a few hours or stuff. Maybe
Yeah,
in a few.
we'll come back later. There's a guy over here on the bridge that's catching a lot. We might talk to him. Well, my dad and Rana just showed up and surprised us, so that was awesome. What do you think, Addie? Was that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like seeing them? Yeah? Do you think they should stay next time? Yeah, I think they should stay next time too. Now we are on our way to go up Hellroaring Trail. We're just gonna go up a little bit. It's getting kind of late in the day, so we're gonna go up and explore that. I've never been up there before, so we're gonna check that out. No, it's a vehicle trail. The wind is a little too spicy today for the drone, so unfortunately, no drone footage. But you guys get some POV footage, so that's pretty cool. But all right, well, we'll see you guys when we get on the plateau. All right, we're at Hellroaring Plateau. It's pretty windy out, sorry about that. But it's gonna go up this mountain here. And we're just airing down the tires. Are you excited?
Yes.
For the views?
Yes.
I don't know how far we're gonna be able to get, but
It's cool.
Addie's playing, what are you playing?
It's cool Minecraft game.
Cool Minecraft game. All right, well, when we get some good views, we'll hop out and show everybody. See you in a bit. All right, we have a valve stem leak. I don't know if you can hear that. Looks like some weather is moving in, and we're not even a mile into this trail. So me being with my daughter, it's not just me I got to worry about, it's my kids. So we might be fixing this valve stem leak and then heading back down. We didn't even make it a mile up here and already running into some issues in weather. So update. I got the valve stem leak fixed. It just needed to be tightened down, I suspected so. All right, we're gonna keep going up a little bit. The storm passed too. It was just like a quick little flurry. So it cleared up in a hurry though. So it's only been like 10 minutes. We're gonna go up a little bit further and then find a spot and turn around and then come back down and call it a night. We might have a fire, I don't know, it's pretty windy. What, babe? Yep, dinner in bed. All right, see you guys in a minute. Some big boulders that have fallen off here, off this ledge. Yeah, my passenger princess is getting hungry. So when we turn around, I gotta stop and feed her. If it's not windy, we can eat up here. How about that? Well, these views are incredible. Check it out. All right, we got past the bridge, or a bridge, an improved bridge on the Hellroaring Plateau. Started hitting the snow line. Daughter's hungry. I was about ready to run out of road, I think. There was tracks going up there, but it started getting pretty snowy, so we found a spot to turn around while we could, and we did, and now we're heading back down. I gotta feed this little monster before she starts eating me. So that's what we're doing. Still no drone because it's too windy, unfortunately. So, and she's tired and wants to play Uno and go to bed. So we're gonna do that, and we'll catch you guys later.